Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Gerstfon, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Chrome Web Store. So our students now should be able to get most educational apps, and I am at the Chrome Web Store. If you want to find the Web Store, you can click down here at the bottom left on this launcher, and it may come up as one of these tabs. If not, you can click that arrow and take a look for it. And just remember, there are 2 pages, even if the first page is not full. And you can see it's all the way down here at the bottom of my second page. So I'm just going to double click that and take a look at the Chrome Web Store. So there are extensions, and if you get an extension, then those are the things on the top right. So here's Google Cast, here's Clever, here's a Save to Google Drive extension, and so forth. You can search just by apps. So if I click on apps, then perhaps I want to find something for science. I'm going to go ahead and just click science and see what comes up. But now you'll see I can choose just apps to show up, and maybe just Chrome apps that maybe will work a little better. And I can take a look at these and just go to education, and maybe I want academic resources. So that's a nice way to filter. If I have students who may be working at home without internet, I can choose the runs offline. And I don't know about you, but normally I want something with the best ratings. So as you can see, there's one that fits the bill, and this may or may not be something that you want. So you may have to reset some of those filters. Maybe we can't be as picky. Maybe we want to go to this number of ratings and see what comes up. So if I want to check out any of these as a teacher, then I can do that. Let me go back up to the top, and I'll just add this one. Actually, I'm going to click on this first to take a look at just all of the information, and I can see that it's listed as an academic resource. We've got over 2,000 users, and it generates about 4.5 stars. So if you scroll down, then we have the overview with all of the information. I know I do this a lot when I'm thinking about adding an app to my phone, and I can go down, and generally, if there are some written reviews, I'll be able to see those if they have placed them on the site. So I'll go up here, click reviews, and well, one person has decided to actually write one, and maybe that will help you. So if you think, yes, this looks good, I'm going to go ahead and add it to Chrome. It is going to say that it's going to read and modify data. Because it got such, I think, good reviews for the most part, I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now the question becomes, where is it? It's not down here on my shelf. So if I go back to the left and I click launcher, I don't see it yet. So I'm looking for model periodic table. I'm going to do that up arrow. It did land on that first page. If I didn't see it here, remember we would go to the second page. And I made a student video version of this for dealing with Chromebook apps. But if I want, I can put, I can right click, or if I'm using a Chromebook, maybe you want students to even add this, they can put 2 fingers on the touchpad to click, and then you can pin that to shelf. So now it's down here, and the apps launcher does not have to be open to see it. If you don't need it anymore in your life, you can put 2 fingers on there and you can uninstall it, or you can unpin it. Unpinning it just means I have to go back to my launcher to find it. So there it's on my apps launcher, but it's not down here on my shelf. So I would say have fun searching for educational apps. And if you want to have students add an extension, then basically just go through that same process. So I hope this was helpful for you.